How can we make the why deeper so that you feel compelled, so that when you are lacking motivation some days, you can draw from something deeper? What's up? It's your boy Alex from Boss Life, and in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to build a new habit that sticks forever. I've been an obsessed student of self-development since 2007 and have traveled the world coaching purpose-driven, high-performing men since 2013. Multi-billion-dollar entrepreneurs, investors, public speakers, bankers, doctors, psychologists, military. This stuff works for them, so I'm confident it will help you too. So if you're the kind of person who's interested in how to build habits that stick, or if you're even just curious, this will be the video for you. Now, before we begin, be sure to subscribe with notifications because I release 2 videos per week about how to live a boss life. And of course, if you're really passionate about building habits that stick for life, be sure to download the free Quarantine Domination Blueprint or sign up for a free Habit Hacker Mastermind consultation call with me if you'd like to go deeper into this topic. Links are in the description box below. How to build a new habit that sticks forever. There are a couple of major problems that most people face when endeavoring to start building a new habit. One very common one is people, including myself in the past, will wait until this moment of epiphany. We'll almost wait for the motivation to kick in, and we have these often short bursts of motivation where we then go out and try to execute on this new habit, whether it's going to the gym or reading or flossing or whatever. We will wait for these short bursts of motivation, and then we will capitalize on them, and we will do the new habit for a short period of time, and what will happen is we'll quickly burn out. We will soon hit a day where we don't have that motivation. We won't do the habit. We will feel bad about ourselves because we fell off. We let ourselves down. We didn't follow through on our commitment to ourselves. Then we start to beat ourselves up and we stop doing the habit. This is a very common pattern. Another pattern is to try to get something without really understanding why you want that. So many people love the idea of being in shape physically, and so few people follow through on that desire to actually gift themselves that good health, that strong physique. And why does that happen? I think that oftentimes people don't have a strong enough why, and this may be you. You might not be clear enough on your why. See, inside my Habit Hacker Mastermind, we are tracking and measuring these habits every single day, and we keep each other accountable every single week. So we're always analyzing this data. I've spent the last 8 months plus analyzing this type of data, just looking at the fucking data, trying to figure out how to make habits stick for life. And one thing I've seen across many people at this point is this lack of why. It's this uncertainty, this lack of clarity around what's the purpose behind getting the 6-pack or getting jacked or whatever result of whatever habit we want. So let's just take getting in good shape as an example. You might say, I want to get in good shape because I want to be healthy. I want to get in good shape because I want to look good naked. I want to be in good shape so that I can feel more confident. And those are good reasons, but they're not strong enough. Unless you're already using those reasons to get to the gym or exercise regularly, they're not strong enough. So you have to go deeper. How can we make the why deeper so that you feel compelled constantly to want to exercise, so that when you are lacking motivation some days, you can draw from something deeper, discipline, and get it done anyways? This is really the secret, because if you're going to rely on motivation, it's not going to get done. You're going to fall off. We have to instead come up with such a compelling, powerful why that's pulling us to the future, that when on those days we don't feel like working out, we can think of that why, and that will pull us through. No motivation needed. This is the secret to building real consistency, a legendary baseline of positive momentum. How we can make it stronger is to delve into your mind. If you can remember any time in your life when you felt physically insecure or less than someone else because they happen to be in better shape than you, that's something that you're going to want to open up. That wound should not be ignored. That's fuel. If you've ever been beaten up by somebody, if you've ever been teased or bullied by somebody, those are emotional reasons. You can tap into those emotions. If someone ever pushed you around, if someone ever was rude to you and you didn't have the confidence to stand up for yourself because they might might beat you up physically, or they're scary because they're stronger than you. Tap into that. How about romantic desire? How about if you look at the most beautiful potential partners and prospective partners for you that inspire attraction and magic inside you, do you think that that amazing partner wants the jacked version of you or the weak version of you? Which version of you is going to be more likely to feel confident and worthy of that partner? Think of the things that you really want in life and just weigh that against the desire to take it easy. If you really amplify the pleasure that you'll get and the pain that you'll avoid by doing those habits, that's the way to stick to it. The way to get yourself to be consistent in exercising is to feel like if you don't, that you're headed towards a wall. It's to be more scared of what you're going to experience by not working out than you are scared of the pain you're going to feel today during your workout. That's the ticket. It's about manipulating this seesaw until what you're supposed to do is clearly less painful and a more pleasurable option than to not do that thing. And if you can spend some time on paper thinking about that, I recommend watching some of my other videos where I talk about this as well, then you can have a strong enough why that will actually compel you to do these things ongoing, consistently for life. All right? Look, if you enjoyed this, please let me know. Hit that like button, comment below. I love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Thank you, Mr. Alex Walton. You got it for me, buddy.